Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. When you have the same problem as mine, you find your game but you can download it. You must tap on your photo on the right corner on main menu of our Google Play Store and choose settings, where you have family and parental controls, which is on right now, and you have page 3 to visible some games or application with more than page 3. To change it, tap on it. Now enter our connect pin to parental controls, and now we can easily change it by tap on allow all included array that may be config by Godit and save. You can also turn off your parental controls. And that's all. Our game or application are visible right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.